In today's video tutorial, I will show you how to crochet beautiful blouse in Irish lace technique. We are working on the front side of the blouse. I will begin from the painting in real size, then pin pattern on a mat. Let's look at the bottom part. I pinned the ready project on a mat. For this blouse I have done two Irish projects. One from the bottom part and one from the upper part. Then I will crochet the trim for the projects and I fill up 3 places with chaotic mesh. Then I will connect 2 parts, front part and the back part. Let's take a look at the back side. After that I am crocheting the trim around the blouse. For work you need Irish project from the tutorial 73, flowers from the tutorial from 148, mat, Angora yarn, crochet hooks, scissors, pins, I have done the picture in real size or pattern. I pinned the picture on a mat, then I pinned the ready projects to the bottom part. I will pin flowers and other elements in the upper part. I have pinned all elements and projects, such as cords, elements. Then I will sew them together in the places of contiguity. Continue with making chaotic mesh in the 3 places between elements. The chaotic mesh will be made of white color of yarn. I have done the chaotic mesh between elements. I crocheted the trim around chaotic mesh. The trim is made of single crochet stitches. The amount of single crochet stitches depends on the amount of chain spaces. Continue the work. Let's make the next row of the trim. I will work with blue color of yarn. Let's begin. Make a chain. Yarn over the hook twice, then we skip 2 stitches and treble crochet into the 3rd stitch. Then yarn over the hook, insert the hook around the treble crochet, pull up a loop. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then yarn over, pull through, make a chain, then make treble crochet into the 3rd stitch. We skip 1, 2 and treble crochet into the 3rd stitch and make a puff stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then yarn over, pull through. You can crochet different amount of chains between stitches. You should crochet in this way till the end of this row. I have done the trim. Now I'm going to make chaotic mesh in 3 places. Turn the work. Let's begin the work. Make a chain. of 5, remove the hook, insert it between the stitches, take the working loop, pull it through. Chain of 5, remove the hook, insert it between stitches, take the working loop, pull it through. Chain of 3 and double crochet into the chain space, not finish, and double crochet, not finish, into the second chain space and pull through. Chain of 3, and make treble crochet into the chain space. Chain of 2, remove the hook, I pin this part, turn the work. Now I join a bead. Remove the hook, take a bead, put it on the hook, take the working loop, pull it through. Make a chain of 3, take the working loop, pull it through, chain of 5, and double crochet into the chain space. Chain of 3, take the working loop, pull it through, chain of 3, make the fourth one, remove the hook, take a bead, put it on the hook, take the working loop, pull it through, make a chain. Then chain more and double crochet into the chain space. Chain of 3, then yarn over and double crochet into the chain space. I do not finish this stitch and double crochet into the next chain space, not finish, and pull through all loops on the hook. Chain of 5, remove the hook, insert it into the chain space, take the working loop, pull it through. You should crochet the chaotic mesh in this way. You should fill up all 3 places in this way. I have done the front side of the blouse. Now I crochet the back side. As you can see, I have done the back side of the blouse. The next stage will be connection, the front side and the back side. Let's join 2 pieces. Now I begin the joining. Insert the hook into the chain on the corner. Take the working loop, pull it through. Make a chain of 2. Insert the hook into the chain space on the opposite side. Pull up a loop and pull through by making a slip stitch. Chain of 3, remove the hook, insert it into the chain space, take the working loop, pull it through. Chain of 2 and single crochet into the chain space on the opposite side. Chain of 2, remove the hook, insert it into the chain space, take the working loop, pull it through. Chain of 2 and single crochet into the chain space on the opposite side. Chain of 2. Let's make one more. Remove the hook, insert it into the chain space, take the working loop, pull it through, chain of 2, and single crochet into the chain space on the opposite side. So continue working in this way till the end of this row. I have joined 2 pieces together. Here how it looks. Then I change the color of yarn and continue the joining. So you should join in this way other pieces of blouse. Let's begin the trim for the blouse. As you remember, we have done the trim for the project in Irish lace technique. I have made the same trim in the bottom part, and to finish the trim, work with reverse single crochet. So you should crochet such trim for the sleeves and neckline. Today we have learned how to crochet beautiful, in the same time simple blouse in Irish lace technique. For this blouse I used Irish project, flowers, leaves, crochet elements, and cord made on the burden. All 3 places are filled up with chaotic mesh. Thanks for watching.